Hello everyone, come join me on a walk around historic Globe, Arizona. Globe, Arizona is a small Old West town located about an hour and a half east of the Phoenix metro area. It was founded as a mining town in 1876 because of the ample water and its nice location for distribution of mining products. They say that the town was named from a globe-shaped piece of pure silver nugget found near the town site in the 1800s. It was silver that first brought miners to Globe, but when that gave out, copper was discovered. Copper mining is still important to the local economy. There is so much history in this town. Today we will be walking mainly the downtown area, exploring the wonderful historical buildings and unique shops. Some of the sights that you will see as we walk on Broad Street, which is the main drag, are numerous retro storefronts, restaurants, and the old Gila County Courthouse that now serves as an art center. They say that the courthouse is haunted. Ghost Adventures actually did an episode at this location. Also in town, there are old churches, a dramatic old bank, antique stores, abandoned school, jail, and so much more. Globe makes for a great road trip from the Phoenix area by taking Highway 60 in the East Valley through the towns of Superior, Miami, and Claypool. It is located in the heart of Arizona's magnificent Tonto National Forest in Gila County and is surrounded by some of the most spectacular mountain vistas in the Southwest. I hope that you have enjoyed this short tour of this Old West town.